come to next topic, magnetic force. So in this, magnets are substances that attract or pull materials such as iron, steel, cobalt, or nickel towards themselves. Materials that get attracted to a magnet are called magnetic material. So the force with which a magnet attracts magnetic material is called. If you take iron, okay, and take magnet, what will happen that whatever the material, okay, the material which have magnetic property, that will attract to that magnet. So the force with which a magnet attracts magnetic substances, okay, or magnetic material is called magnetic force. Okay, and a magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. It means you cannot see, north pole and north pole cannot attract each other, south pole and south pole cannot attract each other. One side will be north pole and one side will be south pole. If there will be north and north, it will repel, and if there is north and south, then it will attract. If there is south and south, it will repel. If there is south and north, then it will attract. Opposites pole only attract each other, and same like pole, it will repel each other. Now we move to next topic, energy. Force done. Come to energy. So energy is the ability to do work. Okay, now what is force? A force is when we apply force, we can say that work is done. But for doing the work, we need energy also. Force is needed, but we need energy also. So energy, it is ability to do work. So energy is required to do various activity. Now heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, sound energy, and mechanical energy are some forms of energy. So one of one we will see. Okay, I am just explaining you what are they. Heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, wind energy, okay, wind energy, geothermal energy, mechanical energy. There are more, so that I will explain later. First I will explain this. So heat energy is used for things such as cooking and keeping our homes warm. Okay, it is used for what? Used for cooking and keeping our homes warm. So this is heat energy. Light energy helps us to see things around us. Okay, it helps us to see things around us. Okay, and the sun is the greatest source of light energy. Okay, sun is the greatest source of what? Light energy. Okay, next we move to electrical energy. So electrical energy can be converted into one form to of another form of energy. Like many machines and appliances such as fan, air conditioner, television work on the electrical energy. Okay, so it can change. Okay, it can be converted into one form to what? Another form, and whatever the electrical appliances, fans, AC, cooler, all works on the electrical energy. Next is wind energy. So moving air is called wind. The energy obtained from wind is called wind energy. Now wind turbines use wind energy to create electricity. Okay. So the energy which we get from wind are called what? Wind energy. And like wind turbines create electricity with the help of wind energy. Next is geothermal energy. So the interior of the earth is extremely hot. Okay, the very interior part of the earth is extremely hot. Geothermal energy is the energy that comes from the heat within the earth. Geothermal energy. So it is the energy. It is the energy which comes from the heat within the what? Earth. This geothermal energy we get from the we get it from the interior of the earth, very down, because the interior of the earth is very hot and warm. Next is mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is energy that an object has due to its motion or its position. Motion means, okay, the way the body is moving, that we say motion, or when it keeps changing form. So mechanical energy is two types: kinetic and potential energy. Okay, so it is the energy. It is the energy that has that an object has due to motion or its position. Now it is of two types: kinetic and potential. Kinetic energy and potential energy. So now we will see this kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay. Page number 106, it is kinetic energy okay, potential energy and what? Renewable energy, and last one is non-renewable. Okay. Kinetic energy, because mechanical energy has two types: kinetic and potential energy. So kinetic energy is the energy that an object has due to its motion. Okay, when I leave this marker, see from here, yes, when it's going from up to down, this has kinetic energy. Okay, so because it is in now motion, see this is in now rest. Okay, now when I leave, this will come in motion. So it has kinetic energy. So it is the energy that an object has due to its motion.